600,000 merchants are using Wix to build their online store. And if you're one of those 600,000, I have amazing news for you today. Today, we're launching the Privy app for Wix stores so you can grow your online business. There are hundreds of apps in the Wix store. So why choose Privy? It's simple. Privy's the only email marketing platform for small businesses that offers the tools and the coaching you need to grow your business from 0 to $1 million in sales. And while we're new to Wix, we are not new to e-commerce. So far, we've helped over 500,000 brands in 180 countries sell over $5 billion online. But don't just take it from us. With over 18,000 five-star reviews, we don't just give Privy customers the tools they need to be successful. We give them the resources and the coaching to help them win. Privy lets Wix merchants make more money online. Our customers have captured over 250 million email subscribers and drove over $5 billion in online sales. We offer 4 different automatic emails like abandoned carts, welcome series, post-purchase, and win-backs that are gonna help you turn your subscribers into sales. These automatic emails are built so you can literally make money while you're asleep. But our customers' favorite part about Privy is just how easy it is to set it up. With our drag and drop email editor and hundreds of templates, getting set up will take you minutes, not days, not weeks, and not thousands of dollars. And our support team is always there for you in case you have any questions. So what are you waiting for? Join over 600,000 merchants that are already using Privy to grow their online sales. Head over to privy.com/Wix to start your free 15-day trial.